everyone, welcome to Draw with Bee. Today is a Christmas special. Get your art supplies ready. I'm excited. Let's get started. I'm going to start by doing this amazing Christmas tree from the top. So the top bit here, we're going to start and we're going to do an upside down triangle. Then we're going to bring the line in here and we're going to bring the line in there. Make it just a little bit more. Then what we're going to do is the next one. So starting from this point, come out again and then in, just like here. We're going to make sure that they line up on each side, bring them in, and then we're going to do it again for the last bit. Amazing. Then this point to this point, we're going to make it slightly curved. So, amazing. All right, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just some lines down here so it looks like part of the tree. Oh, I love it. Now we have to do this little dude's face. So I'm going to do 2 eyes, 1, 2. He's going to be smiling because he's so happy Christmas is coming. Then I'm going to do some little arms. You can do fingers, you can do toes, you can do whatever you like. You don't even have to have hands. Colour that in. Colour that in. Then I'm going to do 2 little feet. 1 here, 1 here. I'm going to do little feet. That foot's a bit longer. I'll bring him out. That's the beauty of drawing. You can fix up whatever it is that you need to, and you can make it however you like. He looks pretty cool. Next, what I'm going to do is draw some Christmas balls on this Christmas tree. You can decorate this Christmas tree however you like. I'm going to do some beautiful Christmas baubles on this little man. I'm going to do one up here, one up here, maybe one here. He needs another one here. I think he needs one down here as well. Oh, he looks so cute. Now, the last thing we need to do for this Christmas tree is an amazing star. On the top, I'm going to show you how to draw a star the easiest way ever. So, start on this side, bring it across. Then, from this point, we're going to go down. From that point, we're going to go up, down, and then to the side. And that is the best way to draw a star, even though this part was a little bit wonky, but that doesn't matter. Then what I'm going to do is the top a bit to the star that sits on top of this amazing Christmas tree. Now with this star, I'm fixing up his edges. And now I'm going to colour this guy in. So I'm going to fast forward this bit. I will see you back shortly. Pause the video if you need some more time, and I'll see you soon. We have coloured in our amazing Christmas tree. Now time for some magic touches. I'm going to use my glitter pen, of course. Who would have thought? The star needs to be shiny. It always needs to be shiny. Christmas trees always have to have shiny stars. Or they can have angels, or they can have all sorts of things on the top. Some people don't have stars, but I love glittery stars. I'm going to do that. I'm going to use red for the Christmas baubles on this amazing Christmas tree. I wonder what color Christmas baubles or decorations you will have on your Christmas tree this year. I don't know what colors I'm going to do yet. I might do just like this guy. Oh, doesn't he look amazing? Now, I have a surprise. I am going to do something super cool. I have 2 googly eyes. I'm going to stick this on my Christmas tree today. You can find them in all sorts of craft shops. You can find them in Kmart. You can find them pretty much any kind of craft shop or post office. I'm going to do one little blob there, and I'm going to do another blob on the other side. And I am going to glue these eyes on the tree because why not? I'm going to put one here. How cool is that? And another one here. Stick them on just like that. How cute is he? I love it. You can use this for Christmas cards. You can cut them out and stick them on a card for your teacher, for your mum and dad, for any relatives or friends or loved ones. You can make this into any kind of decoration for Christmas time. I hope that you've had a wonderful time. I sure have. I'm going to be using this on one of my Christmas cards this year. There'll be plenty more Christmas drawings to come. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.